In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or a video file to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Now click on this icon of a plus at the bottom left corner to select files and look for your audio one. To do that, you can access one of those apps, hit audio at the top, or click on those three lines at the top left corner to pick one of those sources. Either way, when you find your file, click on it to attach it. To create an audio file and then add it, click on this icon at the bottom right corner, record it, and when you're finished, hit attach. Now, in case of video one, you need to click on this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom right corner. Click video here if you want to record it and add it. Or if you want to add already existing one, click on the same icon and tap on it here. If you can't find it here, scroll all the way down, hit Folders at the bottom left corner, click on your video here and select Done twice. Then send it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!